Hi, I'm Franklin Pillsbury from MarineMax in Ft.Myers, and today we're going to view a 310, a 31-foot Sea Ray Sundancer in the Sea Ray Sport Cruiser category. Great big nice area up here on the swim deck on the back, and one of the neat features on this boat is we have a seat that folds down, so if you want to enjoy sunbathing back here, a glass of wine, or kids swimming in the water, got a neat place to sit down here for a couple of people. So we walk through the transom, got this nice big wide transom gate to walk through, as well as a shower here to clear off before you get back into the boat. Sea Ray always does a great job in the cockpit. We've got a nice big sitting area here where we can sit 4 to 5 adults. Table goes in here, so if we want to use the wet bar back here or entertain, we've got a place where we can either set our drinks or have a little meal. As we're going forward, wet bar here, so we've got the sink, nice storage area, a refrigerator here in the cockpit area to keep drinks or food that we might be using back here in this area. One of the great things about the Sea Ray 310 is that it really drives and runs kind of like a runabout, but you've got all the benefits and all the ride of a bigger boat. This boat also features the This features the joystick for driving and maneuvering with our Axios. So if you want to move the boat sideways, you just move it sideways. You want to go that way, you move it that way. All the controls are electronic, so that's the maximum pressure you ever have. A lot of people coming into a sport cruiser are used to the old hard to shift type units. Great electronics on the dash with the Raymarine Hybrid Touch. Also, big helm area here, plenty of room to stand up and drive. If I want to sit at the helm seat, I can drop the steering wheel down and be very comfortable there as well. As we walk down into the cabin, note this door. This is your walkway up to the front, and we've got a nice big sun deck area up there and speakers for the stereo as well. As we come down into the salon, a lot of boats this size just don't have this openness. The door's over on one side and you don't have this center walk-through. Well, here I got a nice big area that I can put 4 adults. Another table plugs in here so that it's very easy to entertain, whether we're doing a meal, maybe a drink, or playing a game of cards. So walk over to the galley, and I can tell you this galley has not been used. Still got the plastic on the coffee maker over here, and inside the microwave, brand new, clean, as well as the 2-burner stove top here. Nice big work area. Again, that center doorway gives us plenty of room to take stuff outside and to entertain. As I go forward, neat thing here, we've got a big double wide bunk, but there's no bulkhead here to make the boat feel smaller. Also another place for people to sit and enjoy. Got a TV up here for entertainment, as well as one in the main salon area here. So whether it's football, baseball, or you just want to have the place for the kids to play video games, we've got that. Also, this boat has a stand-up head. So you've got plenty of room in here, 6'1", so I got plenty of clearance. This is what we call a wet head, so the shower curtain comes across. We've got a nice shower in here as well, along with the vacuum flush potty. One last feature that makes the 310 really a great boat for a family. This is an entertainment center back here where we have plenty of room to sit and enjoy, still be a part of the people in the salon area, but this also pulls out and makes a nice bunk area, a double wide bunk area with a curtain that closes it off. And a wonderful place for the kids to come back when it's really hot outside and to enjoy still being on the boat. Fantastic boat here, 310 Sea Ray with the joystick. Very unique opportunity to have this boat and enjoy this boating season. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax in Ft.Myers. Give us a call and schedule a time to come check this great Sea Ray Sport Cruiser.